Good morning. In the prologue of St. John's Gospel, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. In the 14th verse, St. John says, "And the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us." Then later on he says that this Word who became a human being is a light, and the darkness did not overcome it. In the first reading today, St. John again says, the true light is already shining. Christ has been born, and that's why Christus Lux is our theme in this shrine of Jesus, the divine Word. Christ the light, Christus Lux. And we are celebrating the 150th anniversary of our founding, and our theme, 6,000 SBD missionaries in 80 countries. Our theme is, be a light for everyone, everywhere. And in the Gospel today, again, the theme of the light. A light to reveal you to the nations and the glory of your people, Israel. And the Lord himself said, I am the light of the world. And what is our duty? To be light, especially to those in darkness, to young people suffering from anxiety and depression. Tamad na yung mga bata ngayon dahil hindi nila alam kung ano yung gagawin nila sa future. Ang dami ko nang kinakausap, pati mga magulang. Let us be light. Christus Lux. We reflect the light of Christ para itong nasa darkness. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, majority sa kanila, walang sense of purpose, walang meaning in life, according to several surveys that I studied. May research. At yun, ang kanilang result, there is a mental health crisis in our country today among the young. They are in darkness. Lagi din sa dyaryo ngayon, yung budget, yung isa tayo sa pinakabulok na pamahalaan sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. Kaya, yung mga nagnanakaw ng pera, ng kaban ng bayan, they are in darkness. Mayayabang pa naman dahil siyempre nagnanakaw sila, mahal yung kanilang mga bag, mga Hermes, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, yung pinagyayabang pa nila. But they are in darkness. Hindi ipasapat sa kanila na 10 million pesos yung kanilang Patek Philippe na mga relo. Pero mo relo, 10 million. Binigay sa akin yung 10 million. Ang dami ko ng out of school youth na mapaaral at mabigyan ng trabaho niya. May habang sila, nilalagay pa sa social media yung kanilang mga mansion, they are in darkness. Paano kaya natin mapahayag sa kanila ang Christus Lux? Panalangin natin ngayon lahat ng nasa kadiliman, lalong-lalo na sa ating bansa. Yung dalawa na lang focus natin. Yung mga kabataan, nasa kadiliman, hindi alam kung anong gagawin sa kanilang buhay. Marami na sa kanila, nag-iisip, 1 in 5 daw, nag-iisip na tapusin na ang buhay nila. Batang-bata pa. Pangalawa, padagdasal natin ngayon, yung mga magnanakaw ng pera ng ating bansa, kaya lumalabas yung mga highway na pinapagawa, yung mga tulay na pinapagawa, wala palang bakal dahil ninakaw na, nagkaka-traffic ng 100 kilometers, yung mga pauwi sana doon sa Bicol at saka madilim ang ating bansa. Pagdasal natin na sana liliwanag sa puso ng mga kurap, mga bulok na namamahala sa ating pamahalaan. Pagdasal din natin na yung mababait na, marami din namang mababait sa gobyerno na yung kanilang puso ay mag-reflect din doon sa kanilang mga kasamahan sa trabaho. Na meron mang sabi ng isang presidente, mitigate your greed. Bawas-bawasan niyo naman yung inyong pagiging sakim. Dapat hindi ka nga sakim Zero ka dapat, hindi yung 100% ka na sakim. At hindi, mitigate lang na magiging 80% mo lang yung greed mo. A light to reveal you to the nations and the glory of your people, Israel. Whoever says he is in the light, first reading, yet hates his brother is still in the darkness. Whoever hates his brother is in darkness. He walks in darkness and does not know where he is going, because the darkness has blinded his eyes. Nabubulag na akala yung kayamanan niya, yung mga palasyo niya, yun na ang nagbibigay ng halaga sa kanyang pagkatao. Pero sa kaloob-looban, madilim ang kanyang kaluluwa. Sabi ni St. John, whoever hates his brother. Kasi yung mga magnanakaw sa gobyerno, kinasusuklaman talaga nila yung mga bata na mag-aaral dapat, kinukuha nila yung pera, hindi nagiging, walang nagagawa ng mga classroom. Pero ang kulang natin, 30,000 classrooms. Billion ang ginagasta sa mga textbook na mali-mali naman. Wrong spelling, mali yung mga facts, ang mga information na binabagay. They hate their brother. Why? Because if you take away money that should be built, that should be used to build hospitals and highways and flood control projects, baliwala sa iyo yung inaanod ang bahay pag binaha na. You hate. Whoever hates his brother is in darkness. At kung mamamatay ka in darkness, paparusahan ka magpasawalang hanggan ng ating Panginoon. Kaya kailangan tanggapin mo na si Kristo. Kung corrupt ka man, kung Generation Z ka man, na walang patutunguhan sa kinabukasan, tanggapin ninyo si Kristo. Christus lux. A light to reveal God to the nations and the glory of His people, Israel.